know you have to go home too.
Hey, I'm all dressed up for the play that's happening at the school, and then there's a school dance right after that, so I'm looking pretty good. But I'm gonna record something will go down. Hopefully it'll be fun, so yeah. I guess it was a good school dance. I'm in the lobby right now in my building, waiting for the elevator. Hopefully, I can get some rest for tomorrow. At one point, they started playing Darude Sandstorm, and I just said no. I don't want to listen to that, so I went outside. So, yeah.